Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and separating the charger from the device, safety first. Once done, examine the magnetic puck and cable closely. Look for corrosion, debris, bent pins, or torn insulation so you know what to fix. Make sure you have a multimeter for continuity, a small screwdriver for access, and 90% isopropyl with cotton swabs for cleaning. You want to spot damage versus dirt so you can apply the correct repair path immediately. You now deep clean the magnetic contacts with 90% isopropyl. Gently rotate the swab around each contact until no grime remains. Once clean, measure continuity along the cable and voltage output at the puck while connected to power to identify breaks or short circuits. If readings are abnormal, open the housing carefully and inspect solder joints and the wire strain relief. Loose solder or crushed wires are common culprits. Repair broken traces or reflow joints to restore reliable connections. You'll now perform the actual repairs. Reflow or resolder cold joints, cut out and replace any frayed cable segment, and use heat shrink to restore insulation and strain relief. Once reassembled, run a full charge test while monitoring the charger and device temperature for 10 to 15 minutes to ensure stable operation. If problems persist, make sure to swap the magnetic puck or test with a known good adapter to isolate whether the puck, cable, or power brick is at fault. That single troubleshooting step saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.